So my client with super straight hair wanted a curl pattern, something that she could wear natural without having to spend a whole lot of time styling, because she's like me, she's a busy person, so she wanted to be able to get up and shampoo and go, so she decided on a perm. I love doing perms. I started doing perms in '89 when I was in cosmetology school. So if your stylist won't do perms, which I know a lot of new age girls won't, let me know. The easiest thing for me to do is to roll. As you can see, even though the time has lapsed, I'm quick at it. We'll have you in and out in no time. Pay attention to how straight her hair is right now, because after I take the rollers out, you'll be pleasantly surprised at her curl pattern. This is the part that they don't like, the smell of the solution. I didn't know, or forgot it was time lapse, so you can't see the products that I used. But as you can see, a little diffusion, she has a nice curl pattern. She get up to go to work, she can just shampoo and go with the fullness. Thanks.